Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have integrated the image preview feature in the create post, as you can see here in this video. And now what we are going to do, we are going to replicate the same feature in the edit post. So in the list, you can see when I click on edit, here we are going to replace this function. So simply what we will do, we will simply copy this, go to the edit, and upon this place this. Okay, now copy these functions, these two functions, copy and paste these functions here. Okay, now what happened, it will work same as we have done for the create. Whenever we will select any image, it will be preview in the bottom like this, but we need to add another feature here, and which is that if there is any image already being uploaded, then it will be visible here. Okay, so for this what we will do, we simply copy the ID, this ID, I mean by this. Okay, copy this, and when the record is fetching from the front end, okay, get list, okay, how the data is rendering. Okay, there is another scheme here. Okay, we can simply use, we are using text box, or go to the post controller. In the edit, here you can see we have the view bags. Stop the application, create a view bag, feature image is equal. Okay, so now we need to identify where the feature image is available in the edit case. So we have this procedure, guest post by ID, we need to search it. So here we have, execute this, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 on 7, so it is on 7. Feature image is available on 7, and that's it. Use this view bag in the edit. Here we have to find this. Okay, yes, and here we will use that. It is loading, and that's it. Now refresh the edit page and let's see it is work or not. Okay, it's worked, but the address is not compatible. Let's view what is the result. Okay, let's debug this here in the post controller, here and here. Okay, let's refresh this once again, and here you can see, go to down, what is saving it? Oh yes, and that's it. Okay, actually for the post 1 there is no images available. For the post 3, let's see, and here is the image, continue, and here in the bottom, here is the path, but that is not correct. And you can see, if I will do this, is it working? Not working. Yes, so this path actually we need it. So let's remove these debuggers, go to the edit, and here save this, refresh once again. Okay, it's still not worked. One thing we can do more, and that is to use this with these brushes and use at outside. Okay, still there is no solution is available. Okay, we can do one thing more. We can set it dynamically. Instead of doing this, we can simply use and let's see. Okay, source is unknown. So let's do another thing, and which is that where temp image is equal to this temp dot replace and console temp image, and let's see in the console how the image address is look alike. Okay, there is an error. Okay, we can do a more efficient way. Simply use this view bags within these codes. Now refresh and see console. Okay, so this is the final thing. We can use this to replace. Now console once again. Okay, it's still there. Okay, so it is not working on the front end, so what we can do, we can replace these things on the back end. So simply what we will need to do, let it go as it is, stop the application, go to the post controller, and here when we are getting this, we can replace the comma here. So simply we will do a replace method here, dot replace, and it will be the same as the JS one. So we need to replace this with nothing. Okay, or we can say we need a space, or we can say string dot empty. Both are the same values. Or we can simply do this thing, execute. So it is executed. Now see what will be the result here. Okay, so here how it is look alike now. And and it is updating on the front end. Okay, yes, and now it's finally a good one. Just copy this in the edit, simply copy this one like this and paste it in the source. And that's it. And now refresh once again. And here you can see that how it's look alike. It is already been uploaded, and when I will select, it will be replaced by the new one. So I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.